Have you ever felt mentally exhausted, tense, or scattered even though nothing in your life seems particularly stressful? You might look around and think, everything is fine, so why do I feel like my brain is about to explode? The truth is, your mind can experience overwhelm even in the absence of any external crisis. Chronic low-grade stress, overthinking, and sensory overstimulation can keep your nervous system trapped in a state of high alert. In today's video, we'll explore why this happens, the hidden mechanisms behind invisible overwhelm, and practical strategies to reset your mind and reclaim mental clarity. 1. The brain treats low-grade stress like a crisis. Your brain doesn't distinguish between a real, immediate threat and ongoing minor stressors. Even subtle pressures, unread emails, looming tasks, or minor decisions accumulate in your nervous system, triggering the same fight or flight responses as a physical emergency. Cortisol and adrenaline rise. Your heart rate increases slightly, and your attention becomes hyper-focused on potential problems. Over time, these small, persistent stressors overload your system, leaving you exhausted, anxious, and mentally drained despite the absence of any real danger. Understanding that your brain perceives cumulative stress as a crisis is key to addressing why mental fatigue feels disproportionate to your actual circumstances. This mechanism explains why you can feel completely overwhelmed by seemingly minor or mundane tasks. Each tiny stressor, an email notification, a text message, a minor scheduling conflict, adds a drop to the bucket of your nervous system. Individually, these events are insignificant, but together they simulate a chronic crisis state. Your brain is wired to respond to perceived threats in the same way it would react to a life or death situation, keeping cortisol and adrenaline levels elevated. Over time, this hyperalert state contributes to mental exhaustion, irritability, and difficulty focusing on even simple tasks. Moreover, the perception of continuous stress can become self-reinforcing. When your nervous system is already on edge, new stressors, no matter how minor, feel amplified. This leads to a cycle where you feel constantly on, your mind racing from one worry to another, even when there is no immediate threat. Physical symptoms, tension headaches, shallow breathing, or muscle tightness often accompany this invisible mental strain, further convincing the brain that it is in danger. By recognizing that your nervous system treats cumulative minor stressors as a real crisis, you can start implementing strategies like structured breaks, mindfulness, and sensory resets to downshift the stress response and restore mental clarity. 2. The allostatic load, your brain's full bucket. Think of your stress levels as a bucket filling with water. Each microstressor, traffic, emails, minor decisions, or background noise adds a drop. Individually, these may seem inconsequential, but over time they accumulate, eventually overflowing and creating a feeling of panic or overwhelm. This allostatic load explains why you may feel mentally exhausted even when no single stressor seems significant. Recognizing this accumulation helps contextualize invisible mental fatigue and highlights the importance of actively managing daily stressors before they compound. The analogy of the stress bucket also helps explain why some days feel heavier than others. Even if your schedule is relatively calm, previous days of accumulated stress can keep the bucket near the brim, making it easier for minor annoyances to trigger feelings of overwhelm. For example, a small comment from a colleague or a delayed text might feel disproportionately irritating because your nervous system is already overloaded. Understanding allostatic load encourages proactive strategies. By acknowledging that small, repeated pressures matter, you can implement intentional practices to reduce stress before it accumulates. Techniques such as scheduling short breaks, limiting multitasking, practicing deep breathing, or engaging in brief moments of mindfulness throughout the day help drain some of the water from the bucket. Over time, these practices prevent the system from overflowing and reduce the frequency of mental exhaustion episodes, allowing your mind to function more calmly and efficiently. 3. Hypervigilance habit. If you've recently gone through a chaotic or highly stressful period, your nervous system may remain in survival mode long after the events have passed. The brain continues scanning for threats out of habit, producing anxiety and tension even in a perfectly safe environment. This hypervigilance manifests as irritability, restlessness, and difficulty focusing, and it often amplifies minor triggers that would otherwise be negligible. Breaking free from this pattern requires deliberate interventions to signal to your body that the threat is no longer present, allowing the nervous system to downshift naturally. This lingering state of alertness can affect everyday life in subtle but significant ways. You may find yourself overreacting to small inconveniences, feeling constantly on edge, or struggling to relax even in calm settings. Your mind may replay stressful scenarios repeatedly, keeping stress hormones elevated and preventing restorative sleep. Over time, this chronic hypervigilance can also impact physical health, contributing to tension headaches, digestive discomfort, and elevated blood pressure. Deliberate interventions can help retrain the nervous system. Practices such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, meditation, or grounding exercises communicate to your brain that the immediate threat has passed. Even short periods of mindful rest, walking in nature, or unplugging from digital stimulation signal safety, allowing cortisol and adrenaline levels to decrease. Consistent application of these techniques gradually recalibrates the nervous system, reducing anxiety, improving focus, and restoring a sense of calm that supports both mental and physical well-being. 4. Unconscious emotional processing. Even when your conscious mind believes everything is fine, your subconscious may still be processing unresolved emotions, past trauma, or unexpressed needs. This background processing consumes cognitive resources, leaving less mental energy available for present tasks. For example, feelings of guilt, regret, or unspoken tension can run silently in the background, creating a low-level sense of overwhelm. Emotional memories or subtle worries may subtly influence your mood, reactions, and ability to concentrate. Acknowledging and addressing these internal processes through journaling, therapy, meditation, or reflective practices can help relieve the cognitive load, restore a sense of calm, and allow your mind to engage fully with the present moment. 5. Sensory overload. Modern life bombards the brain with constant data, notifications, bright screens, noise, and multitasking demands. The primitive brain is not equipped to process such a high volume of information, leading to neurological fatigue. Even when external circumstances are calm, the constant input can make it feel as if everything is urgent or overwhelming. Reducing sensory input through intentional breaks, quiet spaces, or device-free periods helps the nervous system recover, lowering the cumulative strain that contributes to mental overwhelm. Incorporating regular mindfulness exercises, limiting screen time, and engaging in low-stimulation activities like reading or walking in nature further supports mental recovery and helps prevent chronic cognitive fatigue. 6. Decision fatigue. Every choice you make, no matter how small, depletes executive function. Deciding what to eat, what to wear, how to respond to messages, or which task to tackle next drains cognitive resources over the course of the day. By evening, your brain often runs out of energy to regulate mood, control impulses, or prioritize effectively, leaving you feeling paralyzed or unable to start even simple tasks. Structuring decisions, automating routines, and minimizing trivial choices can preserve mental energy for high-priority tasks and reduce the sensation of overwhelm. 7. Signs of background mental fatigue. Mental fatigue often presents subtly, making it hard to recognize. Physical exhaustion despite adequate sleep, snapping over minor inconveniences, procrastinating or staring blankly at tasks, and a persistent low-level sense of dread are all common indicators. These symptoms reflect the hidden strain on your nervous system, signaling that your mind is overloaded even if your life appears calm externally. Identifying these patterns is the first step toward interventions that restore clarity and balance. 8. How to reset a tired nervous system. Resetting your nervous system requires deliberate strategies to reduce cognitive load and promote mental rest. Start with a brain dump. Write down every thought, task, or worry to clear working memory. Enforce sensory deprivation by lying in a quiet, dark room without screens or stimulation for a short period. Radical unplugging. Limiting exposure to emails, social media, or news can help prevent constant microstressors from refilling your mental bucket. Combined with mindfulness, movement, and structured breaks, these strategies allow your nervous system to downshift, restore executive function, and improve emotional regulation. Over time, they reduce the feeling of invisible overwhelm and help your mind operate more efficiently. So, there you have it, why your mind feels overwhelmed even when nothing is wrong. From accumulated microstressors and hypervigilance to decision fatigue and sensory overload, your nervous system can stay in a high alert state without any real external threat. By recognizing the causes, practicing mental resets, and managing cognitive load intentionally, you can reclaim focus, calm, and mental clarity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into mental health and personal growth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.